So one is stippling, okay, and please make a note of it. Make 2 boxes, stippling and scrumbling. So these 2 techniques we are going to use in this one today. So stippling we use quite often actually in art. So how it works? It is nothing but dot 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 dot. Okay. Yeah. So this is nothing but dot 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 dot. And we can merge 2 colors like this while doing the stippling. So so this is how stippling works. One shade, other shade, and this is where it is meeting, right? So stippling we use when we are doing flowers. Let's see here. This is all stippling. Here, what we have done, these flowers. This is all stippling. And scrumbling we will use for the trees. This is all scrumbling. Here, here, here. For here also it is scrumbling. Okay. So this is stippling. You can use any color combination and do accordingly. So if I do in, I'm using orange here. Here I use light green and dark green. And you can use any color combination and put it into your box. Stippling can be done using pencil, using sketch pens, using oil pastels, in even in acrylic, anything. So when you are doing this dot 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 dot, it is called stippling. If the entire painting you are doing with stippling, then it is also called pointillism. Next comes scrumbling. So what happens in scrumbling? I use a pencil to show you the strokes. So it's kind of this kind of strokes, which we do using our pastel colors. Understood? So we don't color it like this. We will be coloring it like this. Why? Because we want to leave some space for the other color. In case if we need to fill some more color, merging, when we do the merging, then the next color can fit in these white spaces. And it has to be done with light pressure, not very heavy pressure, light pressure. And if I'm doing one more color scrumbling, so it is away. And when it comes together, you will see that it will start taking the space which is there in between the darker color. So here, when we do scrumbling, we do not use tissue or earbud to do any kind of merging. It automatically happens with the help of the other color. So let's say if I do in this box, so I'm starting just to keep it clear, I'll just start with a darker color on the top. And then lighter color in the bottom. And this is blending the in-between space. So dark color, light color, and blending. So scrumbling also we use a lot in sky. While doing sky also, we do scrumbling. So this gives absolutely different effect. If you compare all the effects, so this is different, this is different, this is different. this is our tree. We will do scrambling like this. So let's start. So I'm using my white, just very little we'll put.